Hello everyone, I am here to give you a brief tutorial on GatherTown. When you receive the link, click and open it in Google Chrome or Firefox. Other browsers like Edge and Internet Explorer don't support GatherTown. On this page, you can enter your name and customize your avatar. There are a lot of options, so choose wisely. Once you've got it done, go ahead and click Next, and it will bring you to a screen that will allow you to customize your audio and video settings. You won't have to change too much on here, so just make sure you look good, and go ahead and join the gathering. When you arrive, you will use the arrow keys on your keyboard to control your avatar. There are many resources at your disposal, including a help desk where you can ask any and all questions about the event. Be sure to stop by the corporate sponsored table as well. The corporate sponsored table this year is with AstraZeneca. To speak with people at the event, simply walk up to them and their video feed will become visible to you. Once you see their video feed, you can ring them, which gets their attention, or you can pop out the video screens, which will allow you to see who you're chatting with in a much more close and personal viewpoint. Once you're finished talking with them, simply walk the other way and their video feed will disappear. This bar here at the bottom has numerous options for you, including changing your avatar, changing your name, viewing the minimap, which gives you an expanded view of the event center. It also allows you to share your screen with others and adds emojis so you can give someone some applause, show them some love, ask a question, or ask for attention. There are a number of buttons on this sidebar here. You won't have to deal with many of them, but I want to go over them really quickly so you understand them. This is the settings where you can also change your name. If you do change your name here, just make sure that you scroll down and hit respawn, and that will save your name change. There is the chat button, which will allow you to chat with others attending the event. And then the participants tab, which will show you everyone and anyone who is currently attending the event. If there is someone at the event that you wish to speak to directly, you can search their name in the participants tab. Then click on their profile and either message them to talk over text, or find them on the map by clicking the Locate on Map button. When clicked, it will bring a direct path from your avatar to the person that you want to talk to. When you get to that person, simply hit the Stop Locating button that has popped up and continue your chat. And that's how you'll be using GatherTown. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, enjoy your event and enjoy GatherTown.